The VELOTRIC Discover one of the best electric bikes for commuting. What comes to your mind when you're asked about electric bikes? Many of us might just answer with a battery-powered bicycle that people buy for hobbies or collection. But statistically, the popularity of electric bikes is increasing, not only for pursuits, but also for commuting between cities, work, and other day-to-day uses. Unlike traditional bikes, these electric bikes give you an effective boost while pedaling, making your daily commuting to the office less tiresome. But as they rely on battery power, you're pretty much going to feel anxious about your battery life. And that's where VELOTRIC put their effort and brought you the VELOTRIC Discover to eliminate that anxiousness. How? With some innovative technologies, VELOTRIC Discover comes with a stylish design, highest quality materials, and twice the range of its peers and lets you embrace your freedom. That's why in this video, we'll look a bit deeper into this bike and share our thoughts about it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our review of the VELOTRIC Discover one of the best electric bikes for commuting. Before starting the review, we'd like to know and get introduced with the brand itself. VELOTRIC is here to make your day-to-day commute easier and tension-free. And having the masterminds from brands like Lime, Giant, Decathlon, and Specialized on their team, VELOTRIC ensures that you're getting the best possible quality and performance while keeping it affordable. First, we're going to talk about its assembly. So the electric bike comes in a box that needs to be opened correctly in order to access all the parts. After opening the box, you'll find a smaller package containing details like the bell, pedals, front LED, battery charger, and the toolkit to assemble the bike. It's advised to put the battery on charge while you assemble the bike. Thus, you'll be getting your battery with a decent backup by the time you're done with assembling. So back to the assembly procedure. Next, take out all the other parts and keep them aside. Start with assembling the main frame and place everything else before making the front wheel to get enough stability while building it. Remove all the plastic wraps and then attach the front wheel as well. Lastly, calibrate the handlebar according to your need, which will wrap up the assembly. With 5 different color options and photogenic trendy design, the bike doesn't compromise your style at all. To keep the look fresher and cleaner, the battery is fully integrated into the frame. But looks aren't everything. Durability and toughness also matter. With an aircraft-grade 6061 aluminum frame, you'll be covered with fantastic durability, while the step-through design allows any rider to enjoy the bike. And to make your city commuting more comfortable and less bumpy, you'll be getting a front fork that travels up to 65 millimeters. Plus, combining the power of a 7-speed SHIMANO shifter with a SHIMANO RDTY 300 rear derailleur, your ride will be speedy. At the same time, the VELOTRIC-approved dual disc brakes will ensure an adequate braking efficiency. Next, it's got a 48-volt, 500-watt rear hub motor which can produce up to 65 Newton-meter of torque, making your ride smoother like a breeze. An intelligent 3-level pedal assist is also available with 12 magnetic cadence and speed sensors so that you get a natural riding experience without breaking a sweat. Then comes VELOTRIC's most advertised battery, and to power up the impressive motor, you'll be getting a Tesla-grade 692 watt-hour battery with LG or Samsung cells, which allows you to ride up to 60 miles with a single charge. You can remove the battery pretty easily, even on the go, which means you can just charge the battery while resting somewhere or just swap the battery for some extra mileage. The VELOTRIC Discover boasts an impressive cockpit with an ergonomic cushion seat and a well-positioned handle to provide you with a good and comfortable riding position. Additionally, the middle of the handlebar's integrated display shows you some minimal but important information like your speed, mileage, pedal assistance, and battery status. So that was all the key features of the VELOTRIC Discover Now, what makes it special? A sleek, stylish, and ergonomic design, along with a smooth, comfortable, and reliably longer riding experience, makes the bike perfect for commuting. And if your priority leads you to daily commuting, then the VELOTRIC Discover can be a wise choice. VELOTRIC Discover has UL 2849 certification. This is a fire safety certification, which effectively means that the electrical drivetrain, battery, and charging system of this e-bike is examined by CPSC. And this certification surely adds to the reliability of this e-bike. So that was our review of the VELOTRIC Discover one of the best electric bikes for commuting. Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the like button and share this video with your friends if you found it helpful. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website GoOutdoorZone.com.